All right, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be styling this olive green, yellow, mustard yellow, hints of navy blue head wrap. So I got this hair up in a bun. I'm going to cover my bun, cross this in the front like that. I'm going to cross it again. Now I'm going to tie it in the back. It's nice and secure. I'm going to tie it again just to make sure. I'm going to tuck this end here. Tuck this end right there. Clay earrings. Bangles. Olive green slacks. Tan booties. There's my completed look. Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? Check out my other videos on how I style my head wrap. Thanks for watching. Bye.